Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see, here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the network provided time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off this option, this switcher, and now we can freely tap on date. And we can pick it from this calendar, so just find it, tap on it and confirm it. And the same situation with the time, just tap on it, pick it from this clock, whatever you want to, tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Of course you can change the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here I don't want to use the keyboard. Of course you can do it, so you can just enter the name of the region. However, you can also scroll down in order to find it, and after finding simply tap on it. And as you can see it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the options which are connected with the time format. Currently we are using local default, but of course you can manually decide. Just turn off the first option and right now you can decide. Currently we've got 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher and it will be immediately applied. So this is the manual customization of the date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher here and tap on this one to use network provided time, but be aware that you have to still change the time zone manually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.